everyone, Mr. Allen here for our golden ticket assembly, the first one after half term. And I hope you all had a lovely half term, nice and relaxing, and just took it easy for a bit. But I also know, actually, we're straight back on it because these children you'll see this morning have been weeks straight back in it, and you've been working feverishly. It is Friday the 26th of February, and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. See amazing children now who've been working so hard in this first week back after half term. We start in year 3 with Mr. Ackerman's class. Mr. Ackerman says this child has worked hard throughout lockdown and always tries his best to complete all the work, the home learning activities. He's hard working and approaches all his learning with a smile on his face. He certainly does. He's an enthusiastic learner and works hard to develop his understanding across the curriculum. Keep up the great work. Goes to Jack Walters. Here he is. Look at that big smile on his face. And I know that throughout lockdown as well, you've had a massive smiling face. Look out for this in the post. You really do deserve it, buddy. Keep it up. Keep working hard. We've got one more week of it, and then we'll all be back in school and we will see you as well. So huge congratulations. Look out for this in the post. Proud of you, buddy. Moving on, we go. Miss White says this person has really impressed us with their attitude to learning at home. They try their best in maths and English and have done some lovely work in science and geography right across the curriculum. Amazing. We've particularly enjoyed their reading videos. Yes, we really have. We are looking forward to seeing your smiling face back in school soon, and I certainly am as well. Congratulations, Mandy! There she is, look at that. Lovely smiling face, loving your snowman there, superb in the snow, and your work is phenomenal, your handwriting and everything, so really well done, well deserved, Mandy. Look out for this in the post, and then we will see you on Monday the 8th as well with everyone, okay? So huge congratulations and keep it up for one more week. Thank you. Moving on to year 4. And Mr. Pinner says last term he worked extremely hard to improve his English and maths. He listens well in class and work is always beautifully presented and completed to the best of his ability. During his time working at home, he's continued to make sure that he logs onto Shobi and completes his work every day. He really does. He's so diligent. It's fantastic to see. He's also continued to read regularly at home, and all of the adults in class have been very impressed that he has stuck at it this all the way through the lockdown. Wow. The golden ticket is thoroughly deserved. It really is. For Ivor! Here he is. Look at Ivor. Look. Come on, buddy. Big smiling face. Well done, buddy. So proud of you. Look out for this in the post. I'm really proud of you. Keep working as hard as you can. You've got one more week of it before we're all back at school. So well done. Keep it up. Proud of you, buddy. Moving on. Miss Barrett says this child's attitude to learning is phenomenal. I never stop being impressed by the work they complete, and their confidence is growing all the time. The work they have been doing on fractions over the last few days and weeks has really blown me away. They are friendly and kind to everyone. They have a great sense of humour and they never fail to make me smile at some stage during the day. And me as well. A really well-deserved second golden ticket this week to Riley. Look at that. Well done, Riley, you superstar. Hey, so proud of you, buddy. You'll be taking this home on Friday with you. Keep up. You are being amazing. Keep it up, buddy. And you're showing your brother all the way as well, because hopefully he'll copy you and he'll start earning some golden tickets as well. So really well done, Riley. Keep it up. Proud of you. Moving on to year 5. We've got Miss Muscle White. She did tell me she'd written quite a bit about this child. Here it is. Here we go. This child has worked hard throughout year 5. Although in recent weeks, they have shown just how much determination they have to succeed and how much effort they'll put into set tasks and to be the best they can be. Superb. This child never says, I can't do this. This isn't because they know everything, but because they automatically think, if I can't do it now, or I don't know an answer, I'll find a way independently to learn how, or I'll research it on my own. Amazing. Because of this, they have an extensive knowledge of the world around them and enjoy nothing more than to share their knowledge with us all. They really do, at every opportunity. Their targets in September has been to make sure they help others as much as possible. And in recent weeks, they've worked really hard to do this. They really have, to share that and help them out as well. They really do work incredibly hard and deserve this golden ticket. Our golden ticket goes to Dragos! Look at that, Dragos, big smiling face. Well done, Dragos. I am so proud of you, and so is Miss Musselwhite. You saw all of that. Your mum and dad will be so proud. So will Tudor, I'm sure. Amazing work, buddy. Honestly, so impressed. Keep it up. You are phenomenal. Take this home with you on Friday, right? Well done, buddy. Proud of you. Moving on. You go, Miss Arthurton, our golden ticket goes to a young man who does not always find things easy, but he perseveres and has proved just how hard he can work through these difficult times. Whether he is learning in school or at home, he never fails to complete every task every day. Absolutely. Not only has he completed all learning tasks, but he goes on read theory, spelling shed, and reads a lot every day. He certainly does. He should be very proud of everything he has achieved. I am really proud as well of him. He has achieved and how his confidence and maturity is developing. Well done. You have been a little superstar. You certainly have. Goes to Kieran. Well done, Kieran. Absolutely amazing. I know you're winning presentation assembly certificates as well before half term. So proud of you. This is really well deserved. Keep looking out for your sister, Emily. It's fantastic to see. You've got to keep being kind to your sister, keep looking out for her and helping her as she's learning as well. But really well deserved. Take this home with you on Friday. I am proud of you. Congratulations. Moving on to year 6, and we got Mr. Davison says, this week's recipient is somebody who has worked consistently hard all year and could receive the golden ticket every week. I agree. Despite the challenges this term, they have completed every lesson and always tried their best. Moreover, they read daily and talk with enthusiasm about their chosen book. They always have a smile on their face and they're a role model for all. They certainly are. True Marcos Primary School child. Very well done to Julia. There she is. Look at Julia. Okay, amazing writing again, amazing reading, Julia. Amazing smile on your face through all of this. Thank you so much because it just puts a smile on my face as well. And look out for this in the post. It'll be winging its way soon, so look out for it, and I'm proud of you. Thank you. Moving on. Finally, we have Miss Percy says the golden ticket in 6JP this week is awarded to someone who has shown an incredibly positive attitude to home learning right from the beginning of January. They are very enthusiastic towards their learning and always engage with lessons, even if they do not find the task easy at first, which is really important to keep going, keep persevering. When they're in school, they're resilient, always willing to help others and always have a smile on their face, and that's what we want every single time. Golden ticket goes to Zara. There's Zara May. Look at Zara. Big smile on her face. Superb, Zara. Well done. Thank you so much for everything you're doing during this. Helping out at home as well, which is really important. So look out for this. Come in the post. I am proud of you. We've got one more week of it, and hopefully we'll see everyone on the 8th. Final few messages from Mr. Allen. Well done, everyone. Fantastic. Really well done for that first week back. It was lovely to see everyone's attitudes and hard work throughout this week straight after half term. Thank you. A little celebration from me to all of our children, because it's really important here. Heroes stuck inside, hearing scary news, missing out on playing and chances to learn. Heroes who clapped the NHS, painted rainbows and adapted to new classrooms at home. Heroes with smiles on their faces, bringing smiles to our faces. Thank you. Every single one of you are a hero to me. I am so proud of every single one of you. Thank you, all of you, for everything you have done. You've made my job much easier, the teachers and your parents, and helping out. You are heroes to us all because you have had to put up with this, and you've done that brilliantly. I salute you all. Really well done. And my final message, obviously, looking forward to seeing those smiling faces on Monday, the 8th of March. I cannot wait. We cannot wait. It's going to be amazing. We'll get school all open and we get everyone back, and I cannot wait. So we've just got one more week, guys. Really well done. And until then, bye-bye.